Right, for some time, actually no, start again. Right, a while back I made some butter knives for some friends. Since then, the old man has bugged and bugged and bugged for me to make him some. So there you go, Dad. I made you your very own extra large butter knife.
Do you feel the vibes?
Right, so look out for the next videos. If you like this one, subscribe, share, do what you want. But the next videos are going to be some pens. So I've got gold, silver, red for the silver, and like titanium. So I've already cut the blanks. This is like resin. That's going to be quite nice. But yeah, just look out for the videos, they'll be up soon.